Hi, everybody. I am popping on here to talk to you all about the energies for this upcoming week. So we've got Mars stepping into fiery Leo this week, and the waxing, that would be the increasing moon, is traveling through the signs of Sagittarius, Capricorn, and Aquarius. And overall, this is shifting our focus from last week's introspection. We had that Scorpio new moon to vibrant self-expression. Mars in Leo is an especially dynamic influence, with both Mars and Leo powered by the element of fire. And this brings passion and courage to the forefront for us this week. Now, meanwhile, the waxing moon is starting to build momentum, and this is guiding us into action. Early in the week, the moon is in the sign of Sagittarius, and this stirs some excitement as well as open-mindedness. Midweek, she is in the sign of Capricorn, encouraging discipline and determination. And later in the week, she is in the sign of Aquarius, which brings some fresh insights, ideas, and innovation. So altogether, these energies are creating the ideal atmosphere for creative self-expression, maybe starting a new project or goal, as well as romantic pursuits. Leo is a very passionate sign, and Mars there is just adding a little bit of extra to that energy. Now, your tarot guidance card for this week is the Queen of Wands, and she is one of my favorite cards in the deck. I'm so happy that she came out for y'all for this week. She embodies the qualities of confidence, charm, creativity, and just a hint of magic. The Queen of Wands urges you out there to seize the moment should the opportunity arise, and to let your unique gifts shine. The Queen of Wands tends to be a bit unconventional. So the message for you is that your superpower lies in embracing who you are: unique, authentic, intelligent, and beautiful. So what are you waiting for? This fiery spirit of the Queen of Wands is encouraging you to step into the spotlight and take center stage. And this can be overall in general in your life, or perhaps in a situation. Now, I recommend that you all pull up your natal chart and locate 1 degree Leo, because the house where this point falls will offer you additional insight into which area of your life is being highlighted by this energy. Now, the Knight of Swords is the clarifying card, and he is swooping in with a surge of focus, quick thinking, and unstoppable momentum. Look at that horse galloping. Now, where the Queen of Wands encourages self-expression and creativity, the Knight of Swords speaks of taking decisive action sooner rather than later. So if you've been sitting on the fence for a while now, or maybe procrastinating just a little bit, the Knight of Swords is lighting a fire under your behind this week, encouraging you to get moving. Now, overall, November is an exciting month in astrology, and so I'll be uploading some future posts about that and keeping you all updated. And overall, I'm really excited about y'all's reading for this first week. It is very positive, and it suggests the promise of some very powerful breakthroughs for many of my listeners out there. Now, with Mars in Leo and the moon's ingress supporting bold strategic moves this week, you are encouraged to have confidence in yourself, have confidence in your goals, as well as the ideas you have for achieving them, even if a few of those ideas may be a little unconventional. Okay, everybody, I hope you found these intuitive messages helpful. And if you did, please consider liking this video and subscribing. And as always, I love you all, and I hope everyone out there has a fantastic week.